see what Peter's doing this morning. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Peter. How are you? How did you sleep? Did you sleep good? See, I woke up a couple times. What are you saying? Hi, Peter. Hi, Peter. Are you happy to be awake? Say, I'm happy. Out of here. Let's get you out of here. You're out. Yay. Say, yay, happy day. Peter, look at Daddy and give me a smile. Give me a smile. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You happy? You happy? Yeah? Hey, I can't wait to see everybody on Thanksgiving and Christmas. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Say, I love you. I love you. Good boy. You got your feet kicking too. Say, I love you. I love you. Yeah. All right. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Yeah. What are you saying? Is that a happy or sad cry? Okay. Bye-bye.